My name is David Patterson, and I drive a Honda Fit. Hi, my name is Jason Otterness, and I like to party.
You know what they say about big hands?
I was like, I didn't bring extra large gloves for the meat handles over there.
Goats.com. Goats are us.
Today we're in Honda Fantasyland, Mugen, US headquarters. We're at King Motorsports in Wisconsin, and we're here working on a Type R catalog car. Has every Mugen part on it for the Type R that you can find. We're gonna wash it, we're gonna correct it, make it look beautiful with gtechniq ceramic coating. Let's get started. We're gonna wash it outside. That's cold. What's the fucking deal here?
So we're gonna get started with washing this car. We're gonna use gtechniq G-Wash to wash everything. That's W4, right, Jason?
W4.
Use W4.
Citrus foam. Citrus foam.
So I got it all wrong. We have to start over. So we're gonna get started washing this car. We're gonna use W4 citrus wash, and we're gonna use W6 on the wheels for an iron remover. This car is pretty clean already. We're pretty much gonna be focusing on making sure the wheels are extra clean before we get started polishing, get into all the cracks, clean the front bumper, get all the bugs off, and then gently go over it, make sure we don't need to clay anything. This car was polished about 2 years ago for its show when all these prototype parts were being revealed. So we pretty much just got to freshen up, get it ready for a nice single stage polish for the most part, and get some gtechniq on it.
These buckets aren't regulatory size.
Apparently they're not. I saw the way the grit guard went into it. I was like, oh, that's not right.
Could you have bought bigger gloves for regular size people?
Yeah, you know, I thought about that. Foul.
You know what they say about big hands?
I was like, I didn't bring extra large gloves for the meat handles over there. It's one size fits all.
No, they're not. One size fits most. I'm not in that category.
Well, you like them a little, you gotta have it a little tight, you know?
Don't worry, I brought multiple sizes of hooded sweatshirts. Remember that time we ate a lot of meat and cheese for like brunch and now we all feel like shit? Or is that just me? I could be hired for Hollywood to simulate rain. I'm that good. It looks like it's raining, right?
Yeah, because there's nothing better than drying a car twice.
I just drive that area.
2 is over there like you mother.
It won't turn off.
It'll tell you if there's putty on it.
I don't understand how it reads or how it's telling that.
I think it just measures between two. If it's like over 6.4, it kind of knows it's. It also can measure steel versus aluminum.
Okay, yeah.
So it'll tell you where.
It'll tell you what it is.
And then you can actually make a report for it. So you can create a new report.
Oh, that's a nice setup. All right, so we got the car all placed. We're taping up all of the trim pieces and gaps for a couple different reasons. One, as you heard before, Ben was saying that we don't want to damage any of the trims. Oftentimes, the abrasives or some of the other things in polish can damage the trim where it's irreversible, you can't fix it. The other reason we'd want to tape something is to make sure we don't damage a part or reduce the amount of dust that might end up somewhere if we can't clean in that area. So we've got the car almost all taped up. We're gonna kind of get started here. We're gonna try to bang this out in one day. We've got 5 people to be able to polish on this car. That should make it go really fast, and it's in great condition. So we'll kind of take care of the isolated spots and maybe even be able to coat it today.
We can't get it done in one day. No, yeah. We suck as detailers.
So outside of the piano black parts, like on the rear bumper here, all the lenses are pretty swirled up. So while the white paint is in really good condition, and most of the paint in general, the tail lights, the piano black pieces, and some of the accessories have been swirled up. The plastics tend to swirl up a little bit easier. So we're gonna make sure we correct these lenses really well, make sure we correct these piano black parts, which are super hard. Obviously, if you look at them funny, they kind of scratch. So we're gonna get all these dark areas kind of cleaned up, make the car look perfect, and get going.
So we got the O'Burke yellow single step pad and the O'Burke polish. Excellent combination.
I have a feeling that I'm probably gonna stay back here the entire time while these guys do the rest of the car. I'll just be doing this part right here. We got the gear.
Yeah.
Oh God damn, I'm good.
My name is David Patterson. I'm from O'Burke Car Care, located in Wisconsin. This car was a project around 2 years ago. In 2019, myself and Connor Harrison detailed this car for an event in Fontana, California. At that time, it was the event was the IBOC meet in Fontana, and at that time, Mugen was just developing all the parts for the Civic Type R. The Civic Type R is a really cool chassis, not only because it's super desirable, it looks cool, it's fast, it's got a lot of cool features about it, but Honda kind of went through a period of time where a lot of their cars weren't what a lot of enthusiasts wanted, or wasn't exactly what a lot of people like me that love building Hondas and modifying Hondas really were looking for. And the new Civic Type R kind of just nailed that. We're getting this car ready to kind of get it ready for the summer for one, but prepare it, put a ceramic coating on it now that it's kind of seen its days around. Bring all of our friends or great people together to kind of do this project and get it ready for a video that Savage Geese is going to be doing on it, where they kind of go in depth, a lot more technical, and kind of talk about the car itself.
It's a mad rush to get the Mugen Type R finished. The shop closes in 30 minutes.
And there's a tow truck waiting outside.
Who polished the front?
No, which
Me.
part of the front?
Me too, which part?
We gotta polish that or something.
Ooh, smudgy.
Does it need to be polished?
That's just polish residue, you doofus.
Whoa.
That's why I asked you. That's why I asked you who polished it.
Them are fighting words.
Not a doofus. Somebody want to be my wiper?
I'll be your wiper.
Dave's gonna wipe for me.
Oh, you got any extra gloves?
I brought a lot of gloves and you guys degloved and then threw them out when they were still good.
No, I flipped mine and I used them inside out. Don't talk to me like that. I get somebody's seconds.
That one's clean. No, those are definitely seconds. You're
Yes,
fine.
those are seconds.
We're all friends. What are you looking for, Jason?
I'm looking for the sweating of the coating.
That's actually what I was going
That's an indication that it's time to wipe the coating off.
Some would call it a phase change.
I've never heard that before.
It's great. It's so professional.
Phase change.
Yeah, it's a phase change.
It's recommended to use a 3-towel method. One for your initial wipe to take off the excess solvent carrier. The second towel is to wipe off all the additional residue and get the panel looking correct or proper. And then the third towel is what they call the haze buster. And it's pretty much just done to make sure that all of the smudgy, oily residue, or what looks to be oily residue, is removed completely and that there's no haze on the surface before the coating sits to cure.
Hey, camera guys, if you can film how Ben coats the car, that would be great.
This is how Ben.
So here's the
coats
way
the
Ben
car.
Hazley from BFH Detailing coats the car. Maybe I'll just.
That one's been in there a while. Do it.
G5 actually won like a National Geographic photo contest because every camera that didn't have it on the lens couldn't get the shot, and the one guy at G5 on his lens got the shot. Wave coming over. It was a wave coming over a fishing boat. Yeah, insane. For real. For real.
What are you doing?
Whoever polished this side of the hood, roof, it's bad. It's just one little, it's like this big.
Where'd you go next?
I didn't do anything yet.
Oh, okay.
There's water dripping out of here and I'm kind of scared to.
Gotcha. You want to do top?
I was gonna do the top, but then he started.
Now I understand where we're at. It only took 3 questions or whatever.
Ben,
No, I didn't.
you're gonna leave it there?
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
I thought he was just standing there and he's like,
No,
I'm
hold
done.
on.
Yeah, I was kind of wondering what was happening too.
Your pad's not even spinning, Ben. Do we need to teach you how to f***ing polish?
Dude, did you do all the wheels?
Those are done.
Monster, bro.
Those are good.
stuff so Mike can get out of here.
You have no idea how special this car is.
I have no idea. This is a 91 SIR, so this is kind of the highest evolution of this generation CRX. Glass top, which was a highly sought after option. This car's got automatic heat and climate controls, which was another option. Basically, the only thing that this car doesn't have that they had a little bit was the ABS and limited slip. But it's a time capsule, original paint car, low mileage. And what I've done to it is I've done all the period correct stuff that was available to it. So a header that was made by my friends in Japan called Maxim Works. The exhaust system is a prototype built by the engineers at Mugen who designed the exhaust system back then. So it's an exhaust system we'll be marketing soon. It's called an aero exhaust because it's shaped like a wing. Got a really unique tone to it.
More eating.
That's upsetting.
Eat breakfast, hang out for 10 minutes, eat some more.
That's how the fat kids live.
You don't have to tell me. You're preaching to the choir.
We're gonna apply some tire shine to the paint.
Pretty much.
Get it going good?
Once the applicator is primed, that looks so weird. Hey, Stubby Fingers, your first panel is gonna feel like weird. Once the applicator gets primed up though, then it becomes like saucy.
Okay. Is there a cure time with this, or is it?
It's just the phase change like EXO.
Wow.
Keep it going. I would, yeah, juice it up good.
Juice it up.
Because she is thick. That's good.
Wow.
Yeah, buddy.
Should I try to put it on a thinner, or?
I mean, just play with it, get to know it.
Talk to it.
Yeah, talk sweetness to it.
Oh, you are so thick.
You're gonna stop so much dust and other debris from sticking to the vehicle.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me